To apply the monochrome theme on Google Pixel 11 Pro, first of all, you can go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, we should be able to simply go to Wallpaper and Style. Then here we're gonna swipe to the home screen preview, and then you can swipe up from this bottom section to reveal these options. Now we can go to Colors, and in here you are looking for a monochrome color, or palette, I guess. So usually it is this option here. And if you cannot find it here in the wallpaper colors, you can switch to other colors, and usually it is this first option. You can also quickly toggle the dark theme if you want to, and tap on Apply in the upper right corner. Now, in addition to that, what you can also do is you can go to Icons, and you can switch the default style to the minimal style. So the appearance of icons on the home screen are going to be updated as well. Then we can apply that, and there we go. Now we have a monochrome theme applied on the home screen. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.